Welcome. If you're looking to enable video sharing in your Telegram group using Telegram Web on your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest update, managing group permissions has never been easier. Here's a simple, step-by-step guide to allow group members to send videos in your Telegram group. First, open your web browser and head over to Telegram Web. Log in with your account credentials if you haven't already. Once you're in, look through your chat list and open the group where you're an admin and want to adjust permissions. At the top of the chat window, you'll see the group's name. Click on it to bring up the group's information panel. In this panel, look for the Edit icon, usually represented by a pencil or similar symbol, and click on it to access the group's settings. Now, you'll see several options for customizing your group. Find and select the Permission section. This is where you control what members can and cannot do in the group. Inside Permissions, look for the option labeled Send Media. Click on it to expand the available media options. Within the Send Media settings, you'll find an option specifically for sending videos. Make sure the toggle or checkbox for Send Videos is enabled. This setting allows all group members to share videos directly in the chat, making your group more interactive and engaging. Once you've enabled Send Videos, don't forget to click Save to apply your changes. That's it. You've successfully updated your group's permissions, and members can now send videos in the group chat. With these quick steps, you're empowering your group to share more dynamic content and stay connected. Enjoy the enhanced experience, and keep your group active with video sharing on Telegram Web.